SATs. What have we got to help with preparation?
Yes, as much as I don't like to say the S word too early, it is important that pupils are prepared. And whether you're starting preparation with them now or later, at least we've got all these resources for you that you can go in and you can use when you get to it. So, first of all, we've obviously got a whole bunch of practice papers. These are just like the actual SATs papers where you've got one arithmetic and two reasoning. We also last year introduced, based on that, a worked example paper, which takes one of our packs of papers, and one of our fantastic authors has gone through and she's answered all of the questions, but not always correctly. My classes used to love it when they were the teacher, especially if I told them I was the pupil who got all the questions wrong. They'd go through and, oh, Miss Sell, I can't believe you got that wrong. I'd say, okay, explain to me why I got it wrong. And they'd love doing that. Then we've got, similar to the multiplication tables check presentation, we do have a SATs parents presentation that you can use. It's obviously a big time for parents. It's getting towards the end of the primary year. They're moving on to other things. So it's all a bit nerve-wracking for parents as well as for pupils. So the presentation just helps you to run through what parents should expect. And then we've got our topic-based SATs questions. These are fantastic because if you know your pupils are struggling maybe with fractions questions, we've grouped all of our fractions questions together. You can just pick up those and do those fractions questions with your pupils. And then one of my favourites that we updated last year is the SATs revisions lesson packs. These are very specific lessons. So there's normally 2 to 4 lessons in a pack, and they will be about very specific things. So it might be about squared and cubed and prime numbers. So if you know that your pupils are struggling with something, it's not just important to focus their learning on that because of the SATs. It's also helping them prepare for secondary school so they don't go to secondary school with big gaps in their knowledge.
Great. Thanks, Hannah. It's just a great time saver having lots of different resources you can dip in and out of, whether it's for classwork, homework, something you want to send to parents, sort of act as a mock test almost. So lots there. And I particularly like the topic-based stats questions. I spent so much time as a teacher going through past papers, looking for questions on a particular topic, and then copy and pasting them into my own worksheet. So it's really great just if you know there's a particular topic you want your class to work on that you can just go to one place and they'll all be there. So yeah, huge time saver.